Query successful. Try again without apps. Do you have an Ally bank account, but wish you could share the financial load and access with a partner, spouse, or family member? Maybe you're tired of constantly transferring money for shared bills, or perhaps you're setting up an account to help manage a loved one's finances. Whatever your reason, turning your individual Ally account into a joint one is a great move for streamlined money management. But how exactly do you add that second person? Ally makes it straightforward, but it's not a one-click process. You actually need to go old school and use a form. Here is your simple guide to adding a joint account holder to your existing Ally bank account. The first and most important step is to locate the official Ally Bank Additional Account Owner application form. You can usually find this form on Ally's website under their Banking or Forms section, so a quick search for Ally Additional Account Owner form should get you there. Once you have the PDF form, you'll need to fill out two main sections. First, the Current Account Owner section. This is you. You'll fill in your personal information, like your name and, crucially, the account numbers for the accounts you want to convert to joint ownership. Second, the New Additional Account Owner section. This is for the person you're adding. You'll need their full legal name, a U.S. residential street address, date of birth, and their social security number or taxpayer identification number. If they aren't already an Ally customer, they may also need to provide a security question and answer, and their mother's maiden name for verification. After completing the details, both you and the new account holder must sign and date the application. Ally is specific about the signature. They accept a wet ink signature or a digital signature, but not a typed signature. Once you have the completed and signed form, you have 3 simple ways to send it in to Ally. Option 1 is the most secure and often fastest, upload it via secure message. Log into your Ally account online or in the mobile app. Navigate to the Secure Message Center, compose a new message, and attach the completed form. Option 2, fax it to the number provided on the form, usually with the subject line Operations. And Option 3, you can mail it to Ally Bank's P.O. Box. The form will have the exact address. After submitting the form, Ally's team will process the request. They will verify the new account holder's identity, which may include running a consumer report as a standard part of the process. If all the information is correct and verified, the new joint owner will be added to your account, and you will both have equal access to manage the funds. It's a simple process that requires a little paperwork up front, but the convenience of a joint account for your shared financial goals is well worth the effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.